Namaste. Welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is analogy numbers. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin the topic analogy numbers. Moving to the next questions. Question number 21. 3 by 2, 27 by 8, 10 by 3, and we have to find the fourth number. See, very easy. 27 and 8. What are these numbers? Which is the second number. Can you relate 3 by 2 and 27 by 8? Yes. 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. Let's see. See. 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube, which is in a denominator, is 8. So applying the same relation mathematical operation to the next set also. Very easy. See, 10 cube is 1000 and 3 cube is 27. So in numerator 1000 divided by 27. 1000 divided by 27, which is in option C. Okay, we have to choose that as the answer, which is option C. Okay, let's move to the next question. 12 and 35 is one set and 16 and question mark. We have to find that later. Okay, let's find the relation between 12 and 35. Look at here. Can you relate 12 and 36, which is very nearer to 35? Okay, let's see. N and next number is, first of all, we have to consider first number as a n. Then for the next number, to find the next number, the relation is 3 and minus 1. That's what I told you. 12 and 36. Can you relate that two numbers? These two numbers. See, 12. 12 into 3, how much? 36. Then 36 minus 1 is 35. Taking the same relation, same operation to the next set is 16. What is 16 into 3 is, look at here, 48 actually. 16 3 is a 48 minus 1, 47. So 47 is our required answer. We have to choose that. Where is it? 47 in option C. So we have to choose that our answer. 47. Okay. Move to the next question. 2, 8 and question mark and 2, 16. Very easy. Maybe you have guessed what the relation is. Say 2 and 8. What is 8? How can we relate 2 and 8? Yes, 2 cube is 8. So we have to find that number as a third for the next set. So that cube of that number is 216. What's that number? Okay, 6, isn't it? So 2 cube is 8. Then 6 cube is 216. And our answer is 6, which is in option B. Very easy, isn't it? 24. Moving to the question 24. Look at here. 36 and 63. Can you find some relation between these? Very easy, isn't it? It's like a game. See, 63 is a reverse order of 36. Reading it from a back side or right side. So you can guess the next number also in a question mark. Now let's see what the relation is. Okay, 36 and 63 is a reverse order. 36. If you read it from reverse order, you'll get 63. So 23, which is the reverse order of 23, 32, which is in option A. So there's no need of explaining it again. So 32 is our required answer. Moving to the 25th question. The question set is like this: 16 and 35, question mark and 24. Let's find the relation between these first two numbers. So hint is like this, or the relation formula, whatever you can say. N, first number, you have to consider first number as a n. Then square root of that number and adding 2 to that number or answer. Then we have to square it, then subtracting 1. It looks a little bit lengthy, but I'll explain. It's really easy. Okay. 16. First of all, what we have to do? Square root of 16, or square of which number gives 16? 4. So 4 plus 2 gives 6. So 6 square is 36 minus 1 gives 35. Or if the relation of the or formula looks lengthy, difficult, you can do like this. See, 16 and 36 or 35, you can relate like this. 36 is very nearer to 35. So 36 is a square of 6. How 6 and 16 are related? Square root of 16 is 4. 4 and 6 can be related as 4 or plus 2, like this. You can relate this type also. You'll get the same answer for the next set also. See, 16, square root of 16 is 4 plus 2 whole square minus 1, you'll arrive at 35 as our answer. Doing the same procedure to the next set also. But here the problem is you don't know the n or the first number. So we are coming in the reverse order. See, 24. Taking a question mark or a first number as a n, square root of n plus 2 whole square minus 1 gives 24 as our answer. So you know the answer, you have to find the n going in the reverse order. So minus 1 in the left side of the equal mark, equal. So taking minus 1 to the right side of equal, what will happen? Plus 1. So 24 plus 1, you will get 25. Then square of bracket, we will do the operation in the bracket, inside the bracket later. First of all, we have to do square. So taking square to after to the equal mark, to right side of the equal, see, you can see 25. What will happen? Square, the reverse of square is square root. So square root of 25 is 5. 5 square is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Easy, isn't it? So square root of n plus 2 whole square is 25. So square root of n plus 2 is remaining. Square is moved to the right side. Then it convert it into square root. Square root of 25 is 5. So the remaining is square root of n plus 2 is equal to 5. Again, retaining n in the left side of the equal. So taking plus 2 to right side of the equal. What happens? Plus 2 becomes convert to minus, reverse. So plus 2 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 gives 3 as the answer. So square root of n is equal to 3. Square root in the left side. So we want finally we want n is equal to what? Not so removing all the mathematical operation to the right side. So here we arrived at square root of n. So taking square root to the right side, what happens? Reverse. Square root to square. So 3 square. What is n is equal to 3 square? So 3 square is 9. So required answer is 9. So option B is our answer. I hope you understood this video. If you have any queries or doubts, comment below. If you want to practice on this question, on this topic, quiz link given below, go through it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.